Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious cilantro lime chicken. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this easy, healthy, and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1 chicken breast, a small bunch of cilantro equivalent to 1/4 of a cup, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1/4 of a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 lime, and 1 garlic clove. So these are our ingredients. Now let's get started. So first we're going to start by making our marinade. So we're going to start by chopping our cilantro. And once we have it nicely chopped, we're going to transfer it into a bowl. So next we're going to mince our garlic clove. So once it's minced, we're going to transfer into the bowl as well. So now we're going to grab our lime. So next we're going to squeeze the lime juice out of our lime. Then we're going to add our olive oil, our sea salt, and our honey. So we're just going to mix it all together. And at this point you can try it for salt and see if you want to add a little bit more. But we just don't want to add too much salt. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to start cutting our chicken. Alright, so once we have our marinade, we're going to start working on our chicken. So I'm just gonna cut out the fat. So we're just going to cut our chicken in half. Okay, just like that. And once we have it cut in half, we're going to place it in our bowl. So just coat the chicken with the marinade, just like that. And I like to put cilantro inside the chicken, so then just close it in half. So now we're just going to place it in a Ziploc bag and let it marinate for 2 hours in the refrigerator. So just get your Ziploc bag and transfer the chicken and the marinade. Now let's just let it marinate for 2 hours. Alright, so after 2 hours, we're going to get our chicken out of the refrigerator and preheat our oven to 375 degrees. So next we're going to grab our cooking sheet. And if you have a smaller one, use that. And place your chicken on the cooking sheet. Your chicken breast out of the bag, along with all the juice and cilantro. And now we're just going to cook it for 30 minutes. Alright, so let's cut our chicken. Smells delicious. Alright guys, so here I have the chicken ready. Just make sure that you let your chicken sit for 5 minutes before you cut it. But I am ready to eat and I served it with brown rice. And of course you can always serve it with white rice or whatever side you decide to serve it with. And that's it. This is basically your cilantro lime chicken. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part.
Hard to take this.
He's already eating.
Okay. Yeah.
Giovanni loves this chicken, let me tell you that. You ready? Okay, cheers. Super flavorful. You know, eating healthy does not have to be boring. This is full of flavor, right? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
And you can even make it for your kids.
Mm-hmm.
It's a win-win. Let's go. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. Super easy and delicious cilantro lime chicken. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. And if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.